Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today I thought you guys can hang out with me while I plant seeds. I got this, this is the other half. Here we go. A little greenhouse I got from Big Lots over the weekend. But I'm going to show you what everything I'm planting in here. Squash, some more patty pan squash. Think this. I think that's how you say it. I'm not too sure. Sugar baby watermelon and some basil. Okay, I'm going to put the camera where you guys can see. Okay, I'm back. I put the others in. Got this little peat pellet. I like these things. I got this from my farming home. I gotta see where this fit. Okay, yeah. Okay, first we're gonna do the squash. I'm gonna plant it like this. So this row's gonna be squash. Just the zucchini squash, I should say. It had a seed was broken, and you just shove it in. There we go. Ba-da-ba-ba. And make sure the seed is covered. Are you guys still, let me know in the comments if you guys are still starting some of your vegetable or flower seeds. Okay, we got that done. Now we're doing the squash. A bug. And it's a bush variety. That's what the seeds look like. Ooh, almost dropped it. Okay, now this row next to the zucchini is gonna be the normal squash. Well, the flat panny squash, whatever it's called. Yeah, with these little peat pellets, if you guys never heard of them, you can just plant this whole thing in the ground like this. Okay, watermelon, I just realized I don't have enough for this basil and for this this or whatever. I thought I had enough, but nope, that's gonna have to be another time. Made a mistake. That's what the watermelon seeds look like. I guess I was so excited to use my new little greenhouse thing to plant, I wasn't really thinking. I'm gonna put 2 in each of the watermelon. I'm planting sugar baby watermelon. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite watermelon variety is you like to grow in your garden. we go. Having a hard time getting it. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. Yeah, I can't believe I didn't have enough room, but that's okay. Okay, right here is the normal zucchini, the normal the flat squash bush, and this is my sugar baby watermelon. And voila, little greenhouse. You can either keep this outside, like I'm going to keep it outside, or you can take it in your house. Then everything, once like I guess it gets too hot in here, you can open the vents on the top, let the air flow. But yeah, I'm going to show you some around in my garden, a little update on some stuff. Okay, I'm out in the garden and I want to show you some updates because I don't know, I think it's been getting too hot. Some of my tomatoes got burnt up and some of my flowers. Hopefully they pull through. Okay, here's my sunflowers. They look like they're doing good. Here's my cucumbers. Look, see, like right here, what I was talking about, stuff getting burnt. See, that's why I put it. I don't have nothing right here. And my other seeds I got started. And see, flowers look like got burnt. Okay, we're at the tomato bed. This tomato is looking pretty good, but the one next to it the other day, well yesterday, it was looking nice and healthy. Then I come out here yesterday to look at it and it was all shriveled up and bad looking. So I took off the leash and hopefully they just having a rough time. See? I don't know. Another tomato. I think that was a flower, I guess a rabbit or something got to it. Okay, here's my flower bed. I just transplanted that. My flowers. Yeah, like, I don't know why my zinnias. That will be the end of this video. I hope you guys like hanging out with me. Let me know if your tomatoes or your peppers or whatever you got planted is a bug trying to get me, is struggling. Usually they're not really struggling, but here lately, I don't know, they're struggling. They're on the struggle bus. But we got a cool down, like right now as I'm standing here making the video, it's nice and cool. It's like in the 70s. For the past week, it was in the 90s. So I think that's what happened. But I see you guys next time.